So once again, welcome back on our YouTube channel, The Passion of Learning English. So today I am going to take the interview of Mr. Krishna. So Krishna, how are you?
I am fine.
So do you like interview?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you nervous?
No.
You are not nervous. Okay. So before I start asking the question, I would like to know in which class you are studying?
I study in sixth standard.
Sixth standard. You are studying sixth class from private school or government school?
Government school.
Government school. So how is government school's education?
It is the best. It is not the best. It is a good for learning English.
For learning English.
No.
For learning all
the
subjects.
education.
Okay, education. So can I ask some question if you don't mind?
Yeah.
Okay. So first question is, what is the meaning of never give up?
The meaning of never give is that like a motivation line that we will in our life. We will not in the weak works. We will not give up. So it is a meaning of never give up.
Okay, can you tell us how to improve our English?
For improve our English, we will stand on the front of the mirror. We will stand, so we will on the speaking. So I think for it is best for learning to improve English.
Do you know there are many students who want to learn English, but they face the lack of the confidence. So how can they improve their confidence level?
They improve their confidence. So I think the front of the mirror they will also speak. By this, their confidence and their speaking also good. There are many works to improve our confidence.
Okay, you know there are so many places in India where people make it dirty. So can you tell me any two things by which we can make it neat and clean?
So I think by our India is neat and clean by out of the pollution our India is very best, and the garbage. By the garbage our India not a pollution and the garbage.
Okay, so what do you want to become and why do you want to become?
I want to become a businessman. Why? Because in the businessman there is no any but that we will do we will buy the shares and we will sell the shares. So by this we will get the money.
Okay, do you use some technology?
Yeah, I will use.
Okay, so what would you like to say? Is technology making our life better or bad?
So I think that technology make our life is good because now is in the metros, the elevator, electric. So by this they are the and the AI. We will say anything. He will give our answer.
Okay, do you do the debate?
Yeah.
Okay, you are debater also. So can you tell any 3 tips how to do the debate and also how to improve ourselves in debate?
So first is I have many said that front of the mirror. It is very main that we our debating is a confidence. Next thing is in the home we will take our notebook and write the grammar sentence. So it is a best trick that we will our debating is. And next is in the home. It is also home. In the home we will also do speaking, debating. Our brother and sister we will do our debating.
According to you, how we should learn English?
We should learn English by there are two things. First is we will come on the tuition, and next is in the home we do our speaking, debating. By this in the grammar sentences we will do these are best tips.
So according to you, these are the points by which you can learn English. So it was the last question, and I think that you have given the all questions answer very bravely, and in a small age you are capable to speak in English. So that's a very proudable things for me that I have taken your interview, and thank you so much to be the part of this interview.